Hi friends, this video shows how to remove a movie or show from the home screen. First let me go to home screen, then set one movie. So I am going to remove this movie. Vikram from the home screen. Set it, then press and hold OK button or set button on the remote. Here we need to set this tick box, watch it. Then go down, then select dislike. Done. Then go back and refresh, so that way we can delete a movie or show from the watch list. I will show you how to refresh. You can turn off, then turn on the TV, or you can go down, set manage services, then just enable or disable one service, then go back, then go to top. Now let me check. See, now that movie is not in this list. Okay, so this way we can delete one movie or show from the home screen. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.